Good morning, students. So, I am a SST teacher. So, today I will discuss about SST subject and topic is the political India. Class 3 Political India. We all knows that the British ruled India for almost 200 years. And that time that king and queen was there and they should be decide that what rule will be there, means our people, our country's people will maintain that rules which that queen and king will be decide. Okay, so after 200 years India became freedom and that year is 1947. After that rule became made. What rule? That the constitution, our own constitution, that 1950 on 26th January. Before what was there? That king and queen will made that rules, but after 1950s 26th January our own constitution is there and our own constitution are providing various type of rules and people are maintain all rules. Okay, so what is the constitution and what is the rules is there? What is the rules? That rule is that people like where will go, how will stay, how they will maintain their life, everything is under that constitution. Like first example I am saying like that, this school, this what school? That is David Eyre Public School. So David Eyre Public School, like you just think this is India. So David Eyre Public School, what rules are there? First rule, like students will come 10 am, after that students will take their education and after they will go 4 pm. So this is the rules. Like that India also that rules is there. What rule? That maintain all people will maintain that all rules and their life will be safe and secure. So now I am saying that in school that principal is there, vice principal is there, teacher is there. Like just to think that India also there, that president, vice president and minister and some leaders who made our country is safe. So now I am discuss about government. What is government? Like just think that government, central government, state government and union territories are everything are is in India and all are divided by the political division. So now I will discuss about government. What is the government? Government means that a group of people who control a country. What country? Like I am drawing here our India map. This is our India and this is our country. So in country what? That government are maintaining this country, means rules and regulation everything maintains country. And government means then what? Government means a group of people who control a country, means India. In government divide in two parts. First is central government and second is state government. Central government and state government. And next is union territories. And union territories maintained by what? By central government. Now central government is the highest government authority. Central government is the highest government authority who control our country. Our country means our India. Okay, and this central government control our country 29 states and 7 territories, and is central government like maintaining our everything, means inner state and outer state and relations with other countries, everything maintained by central government. And central government main center is where? In Delhi. Okay, Delhi, and Delhi is our capital of India. So central government is the main government of our country, who maintain our country and who means control our country for development. Okay. Second is state government. State government means what? State government means that already I said 29 state is there. So 29 states are there. So 29 state who maintain that 29 state? Central government, but this is large area. This is large area, that 29 state. So who means I have 29 pens, like 30 pens. I have 30 pens. So I have 30 pens. How I will maintain the 30 pens? Like this is pens. So this is pens, but this is pen, but after I thought that this is already finished, but some ink is there. So next pen I am taking. So I am handling same pens. After that, okay, leave this. So like that, these two pens are not maintaining properly. So for that I am one. So when my pen will be one, that it will be utilized perfectly. So this is the main fact, that 29 state is there, but central government are maintaining these 29 states. But point is how these 29 states will be maintained by only one government. It is impossible. For that, state governments are need. So what that second I am saying that presently India has 29 states, and spoken means language is different, clothes is different, and everything is different, climate also is different. So everything is different. So everything is maintain is needed. So for that, central government is need. So central government work expense is what? Work expenses means state government will maintain that road, means state road, then state education, and state economic condition, like now pandemic situation is here. So pandemic situation means coronavirus is here. So coronavirus, first what central government what did, that he said that only 1 days after that 1 month will be lockdown. So central government first they had applied their rules, but after that who is maintaining this situation? All state is different kind of rules, like in our West Bengal. So West Bengal state is maintaining what? That few days before, the 2 days will be lockdown in week. After that said in 1 month 3 days will be lockdown. So they are handling this situation about their condition. So that is fact. That's why need state government, or what is the functions of state government? This is functions that state government will decide their rules, means how their state will be safe with depend on constitution, not cross the constitution or out of constitution, depend on constitution. and I am saying one information that who made this constitution, that is B.R. Ambedkar, and also B.R. Ambedkar called that father of the Indian constitution. Second is union territories. Union territories means in our country, like that 29 state was there, same thing, that 7 union territories are there, and 7 union territories who are maintaining, they are maintaining, that's by the central government, like Delhi, and I am saying that 7 continent. First is the Andaman and Nicobar Island. Second is Dadra and Nagar Haveli. Third is Delhi, and Delhi also our capital of India, and fourth is Chandigarh, fifth is Daman and Diu, and sixth is the Lakshadweep Island and Puducherry. And you will remember and also keep in your mind that Lakshadweep Island is the small territories in India. And second point is Delhi. Delhi is what? Delhi is our capital of India and also maintained by central government, and it is also it is also key of our country, because all head office is there, means central head office is there. So last I want to say that lieutenant governor, lieutenant government means what? That is the very important, that lieutenant government, LIEUTANT, lieutenant governor. So lieutenant governor means what? That the government is the head of the state, and also this government only for union territories. So now understood that what is the political India. So basic concept, if I said you that basic concept is that one in our India one government is there, and that government is divided two parts, central government and state government, and union territories also there, but the union territories also maintained by the central government. And it is very important that 29 state is there and 7 union territories are there. Thank you.